Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, and I'm glad you're here. My Carolina roots run deep from farm life to church suppers. I cook bold and simple, just like the Southern women before me. Now I'm sharing it from the beautiful South Carolina coast. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat. Delicious hot honey chicken. It's all the rage, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. We're going to start with 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken. I've cut this up into pieces. You can use strips. You can cut them into nuggets. Whatever you'd like is fine. Now we'll need 1 cup of buttermilk. We'll season the buttermilk with 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of Soul seasoning. You'll add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and give it a whisk. Then we'll cover the chicken, making sure every piece is completely coated. Cover that with saran wrap and set it aside. Now we'll make our flour mixture. I have 2 cups of self-rising flour here. We're going to add some of the same spices we added to the buttermilk here. 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of Soul seasoning. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, give it a whisk, and we'll add 1 cup of cornstarch. Now we'll start the dredging process. Take each piece of chicken and thoroughly coat it with the flour mixture. This is the best thing about Southern food. You season every single layer. Now, while the chicken is being dredged in the flour, I've started heating the oil in the electric skillet. You can use cast iron on the stovetop, that's fine. I just choose to use an electric skillet, and I'm using a wooden spoon to check to make sure the oil is hot enough. If it bubbles up around the spoon, it's hot, and you can start dropping the chicken. Once you start adding the chicken to the hot oil, you don't want to overcrowd the pan. Make sure there's plenty of room for the chicken to hang out, because that's going to allow it to brown and become really crispy. Now, these are chicken breasts and they're boneless, so they won't take terribly long to cook. I just keep an eye on them, and I continue flipping them over and making sure they get golden brown on each side. When they're golden brown on each side, I'll remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel to drain. And I just repeat this process until everything is cooked. Now that the chicken is done, let's start on the sauce. I have 1/2 of stick of butter, and I've melted it, and I'm adding 1/2 cup of hot sauce and 1/2 cup of honey. Use your favorite honey. This is what I had available, so there we go. Give it a good mix, and once it's mixed well, you're going to pour this over the chicken and toss it around to cover. Honestly, it works better if you do this in a big round bowl, but this is what I'm using as just a casserole dish today. But you want to coat every piece of that chicken with that delicious honey sauce. This chicken is seasoned to perfection and absolutely delicious. Until next time, I hope you enjoy it. Hot honey chicken.